y'all, this is the finished look right here. This is how she is looking. Are y'all feeling this color? Do y'all think it's very, very fall friendly? I had to and fall the right way by breaking in this color right here. It's so pretty. But before I get into everything, let me tell y'all about the details. She has 5G HD transparent lace. And the name of her is HD Lace Crimped Hair 3. And she comes in natural colors as well as this color I have on right here, which is TT4 Honey Blonde. And this is how she is looking. This is the parting space. And y'all, I tried to work with the baby hairs, okay? I tried to work with the baby hairs, y'all. So don't come for me for my baby hairs. I know it's not the best, but I'm practicing. But the pros about her, y'all, I like the color. I definitely like the color. She feels very comfortable on my head. She's not like snug and tight on my head. I like that it is a dark root, but I wish the dark root would have, like, I wish it was more color up here. Like, I wish it was like the dark root was just start right here, and then it would be more color right here. You know, the color start right here and go all the way down. She does tangle, she does shed, so if you wear her out, you're gonna have to keep a comb with you so you can keep brushing her out. So, but I really think she's a look, y'all. I really think she is a look. I mean, you could go out in this wig and have some fun. This is the type of wig for that. You know, you go and have some fun a night out with your girls and put this wig on right here. And she is very long too, so she's long and she's thick, y'all. So she has a nice density on her. I will link the price and I will link where I got it from out in the description box below. Let me know what y'all think about this color. Let me know what y'all about this color. Do y'all think this is a very, very good color for fall? And even for the winter, let me know in the comment section. And if y'all have this wig, how do y'all feel about her? Like, was it hard to deal with the lace? Because for me, since I don't buy that many wigs with HD lace, it was kind of hard for me to blend. But I feel like, you know, long as you wear her like this, you are good to go. You know, just don't flip your hair all the way back. You know, just wear her like this. You'll be good. You'll be good to go. But that is really it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.